Hey guys, how's it going? How to configure DNS for email security on Hostinger. First of all, go ahead to the official website and don't forget to like and subscribe, and then visit the link in the description box to get the best plan. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead to the official website, and if you want to configure the DNS for email security or records, go to emails tab and then click manage button, right? Right here, just next to the email domain, okay? And then after you click manage, just go. This will take you to the connect domain page where you will find MX, SPF, DK, IM, and the mark records, right? And then just basically click right here, manage, right? And basically you can add the records to your DNS provider, right? By clicking connect domain, right? And you can connect it, connected and added to your DNS records. So that's been on the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.